I know I talk about GrimDark all the time. What is GrimDark? What is GrimDark? Right? When people use that term, GrimDark, what are you talking about? For me personally, GrimDark is the concept of the place, the universe that where the stories are taking place. There's no hope, right? It's dystopian. It's bad. It's a cautionary tale, right? And I would argue Primaris are ruining the GrimDark because they're providing a hope and also incorporating new technology. See, because the big part of the GrimDark was that it's the dark age of technology. These people who have all these weapons and stuff like that, they don't know how it works, yet they're going around using it, right? And treating it like it's a religious icon, right? The holy bolt gun. It's a religious icon. But now it's like, oh, we can just make more and improve it and shoot farther and longer. And it's not a bolt gun anymore. It's a bolt rifle, right? It's not a plasma gun anymore. It's a hell blaster, right? They're bigger, longer guns, and read into that whatever you want. Like the bolt gun used to be submachine gun looking size, right? Now it's a big long rifle. The gun is longer and bigger. I don't know if I'm being too on the nose with this, but maybe that is what it is. Again, it's all the smooth brains out there. I blame the smooth brains. Anyway. And you can't tell me that there's not a lot of smooth brains out there, because I think during the last 2 years of everything that's been going on this planet regarding our personal health, there are a scary number of smooth brains running around. So, just saying. I'm just asking questions.